direct and indirect narration. Interrogative. Second point, interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences ask questions. There are two types. Single interrogative means yes no type, yes no answer type questions. On the board, yes no answer type questions are given. Are you reading a letter? Can you tell me what the time is? Will you go to school? Have you read this book? Can you drive a car? Do you want to parade or not? Are you attending the class? These are the yes no type questions which are given within inverted commas. Here set to will be changed into asked or inquired of. In the assertive sentence, conjunction is used there, but here conjunction if or whether will be used. If in general sentence you will find you will use if, but if there is option or then you will use whether. But now Meera said to Mohan, are you reading a letter? Said to into asked. Meera asked Mohan. Said to into asked. A-S-K-E-D. Meera asked Mohan. Conjunction if. You second person pronoun. Second person pronoun are changed according to the object. Mohan. Now it will be changed. You according to Mohan, he. Tense change was. Understand? Now change into indirect. Meera asked Mohan if he was reading a letter. And in the end of the sentence, you will mark only full stop. There will be no question mark. The sentence will be changed into assertive sentence. Next point, I said to him, can you tell me what the time is? I said to. This is interrogative sentence. Said to is to ask. Him, conjunction if. You according to him, he. This is second person. So it will be changed from the object. If he came into could. If he could tell. Understand? Me. This is first person. According to me. That will not be changed. It will remain unchanged. What the time is into was. Ram said to Hari, will you go to school today? This is will you go to yes no answer type question. Now Ram said to Hari, said to it to ask. Conjunction if. You according to Hari, he will into go to school or today. The bird saw nearness today. Now it will be changed into the bird solving distance that day. T-H-E-T, that day. Next point, the teacher said to me, have you read this book? Teacher said into asked. The teacher asked me. Conjunction if. You according to me, I have. This is perfect, present perfect. I have. Read this into that. Next point, he said, can you drive a car? I said yes. He said, can you drive a car? This is interrogative. Can you direct car? Now said into asked. Conjunction if. Understand? If the object is not given, he will change into according to the object, but the object is not given. Then he can change into the first person or third person. Now he asked if, I think him here. So if he could drive a car, but now I said into reply in the affirmative. Yes, if the yes is given, he will change in the affirmative. No is given, he will write in the negative. Replied in affirmative. AFFIRMATIVE. Understand? Next point, the teacher said to Hari, do you want to parade or not? Here, when yes is given, you can change agree. I said he agreed. He could agree. कैसे अगर नो तो रिफ्यूज है ना. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट डायरेक्ट. The teacher said to Hari, do you want to parade? Here option is given. This is alternative. कि do you want to parade or not? जाना चाहते हो parade या नहीं जाना चाहते? यहाँ अच्छा रहेगा कि आप whether का यूज करें. तो the teacher said to into ask. ASKED. Do you want? Here conjunction you will use whether. WHETHER. You according to Hari, whether he can change wanted. Whether he wanted to parade or not. Next complete sentence. The teacher asked Hari whether he wanted. This is present indefinite. Now we change it to past indefinite. He wanted to parade or not. Next, I said to Anand, are you attending the class? So said to, this is interrogative, especially yes no answer type question. So I asked, ASKED, I asked Anand whether, WHETHER, whether you, according to Anand, he can change. This is present continuous. You will change it to past. So he was attending the class. अब here no is given. Anand replied in the negative. है ना? Next point. Now the reported speech. Reporting speech, he said to me, the words which are given in the inverted commas, they are the interrogative sentence. What are you doing? Second, why are you late today? Third, what is this strange outcry? Next, why do you laugh? Next, why did you not come to school yesterday? Here, said to will be changed into asked. He asked me, the teacher asked the student, Sakti asked, Sita asked me, the teacher asked Hari. But if or whether will not be used, because these are the double interrogative, so the question words will be used like the conjunction. Bhai, bhat, है ना? And after the bhai and bhat, when they will use like the conjunction, then he will use the subject after those words. For example, he said to me. He asked me. Here said to into asked. Heart. WHAT. H-E-T, heart. Now, after the heart, you will put the U. But according to me, U will be changed into I. So, heart, I. Tense change, present continuous, past continuous. Heart, I was doing. Heart, I was doing. Or in the end of the sentence, the full stop. The teacher said to the student, "Why are you late today?" The teacher said to into ask. Conjunction if or whether will not be used. I. After the why, if you according to student, he. Tense change. Why are you late? This is simple present. He will change it into simple past. He was late today into that day. That day. What is this strange outcry? Said Socrates. Here, Socrates said, S-O-C-R-A-T-E-S, said into asked. Now, what is this strange outcry? Heart. This strange outcry will be subject. So, heart, this into that. Strange, S-T-R-A-N-G, stand out cry, is into was. Sita said to me, "Why are you laugh? Why do you laugh?" So Sita said to into ask. Why do you laugh? Why? You according to me, I. This is present indefinite. I laugh. L-A-U-G-H-E-D. I laugh. Next point. The teacher said to Hari, "I did not come to school yesterday." Said to into ask. A-S-K-E-D. Here, if or whether will not be used. Only I. You. This is past indefinite. You will change it into the past perfect. Understand? You according to Hari. He past perfect had not. He had not come to school yesterday to the previous day. P-R-E-V-I-O-U-S-T-A-Y. In this way, he will change these sentences into indirect.